What is up, YouTube? Boris is here straight from Russia, and today I'm gonna teach you Shopify. But wait, I think Alex will do it better. What's up, YouTube? Boris took over for a second. He's my security guard and my cameraman, if you're new here. So finally, as I was promising guys you for a couple months, that I will start putting for you some awesome content about dropshipping and Shopify. And this is official. Today's first video, introduction video. And as you see from the title of this video, today I'm gonna share with you my strategy and show you how I was able to take my brand new store in my first month of Shopify from 0 to 26K in a matter of 30 days. So this is gonna be an awesome content for you right here today. So sit back, relax, and let's just get started. So as everybody else out there, I started Shopify dropshipping with Facebook ads and Instagram influencers. It was my first experience with e-commerce, and since I had a lot of working with my clients, as you know, I have social media marketing agency, and I decided, hey, I know how to run Facebook ads for my clients. It's probably gonna be the same in e-commerce with Shopify. So I was so confident, I was so positive that I would just start running ads in a couple of days. I will get profitable and I'm gonna make tons of money. But it wasn't the case. So I started with Facebook ads, and I started running ads on Instagram, on Facebook. I found a product on AliExpress, and then I put together a video. I took an example from Facebook, these viral videos. I made my own video, I put it out there, and I started running ads. In my first week of running ads, I spent like $300, and I got almost 800 clicks to my website, but I did not get any sales. All these gurus telling out there hey, it's easy, you just start with $500, spend on ads, and you're gonna be cool, you're gonna get profitable, you're gonna make tons of money. But it wasn't the case. Again, I was what I'm doing wrong. So then I started doing testing bunch of different products. I was every day putting out there 10 products, and I was testing, looking for a winner, as everybody's saying. And in my first 20 days, you guys, I spent $3,000. I was down $3,000 in my first 20 days. And I only got literally 3 sales. I was so frustrated, and I couldn't figure out what was going on. I was doing it everybody's teaching out there, testing a bunch of products, find a winner, and then you're gonna be all set. But what happened next? I started figuring out, looking at my strategy, what was working, why I got so many traffic, but I didn't get any sales. And then in the next 10 to 12 days, I made, as you see from screenshot here, really, Boris? Put the right screenshot. Sorry. So as you see guys from this screenshot, in the next 12 days, I made 26K. And guys, it wasn't all the profit. I'm keeping it real here on my channel. Profit was around 9K, and the rest it was just on product and on ads that I spent. And I thought I finally cracked the code. I had that breakthrough, and I thought, okay, finally I know what I'm doing. And here's guys exactly what I started doing differently. So why I started testing different platforms, advertising platforms, and different traffic sources. Because for a simple reason, my Facebook ad account had been banned, blocked, and this is another story for another video where I'm gonna share with you that the things you don't want to do, because your Facebook ad account, if you're running for different products and testing different products, will be banned. But anyways, that was pushing me out of my comfort zone, start testing different advertising platforms, traffic sources. So what I started doing, first, I started testing on Google AdWords, and then it was working out for me. I had a few sales there and there, but then I started going deeper and deeper in this stuff, and finally I found the perfect traffic source for one of the products I had. I was a little bit profitable, I had a few sales, and running ads on that platform and driving traffic to my website from that traffic source. I was really surprised that really nobody else, I didn't see anyone talking about that platform. And here's a few reasons for that, because Everybody is doing Facebook ads, Instagram influencers. Some people probably do Google AdWords. What I learned that it's not about finding a winning product. It's making your product winning and positioning your product to a proper platform, advertising platform. Guys, there's YouTube ads, there is Google AdWords, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, and other bunch of platforms out there. So what I realized, I started testing different products. I was taking different products and advertising each product on different platform, running ads on different platform. And then I come up with this thing that it's all about finding the right product that will go well with the right platform. And this is, guys, pretty much that I will be teaching you on my channel here, how to find and differentiate different products and put it and advertise it on the right traffic source. So you're probably wondering, okay, Alex, what was the platform you started advertising on? So guys, I put one of my products on Pinterest. I know it sounds crazy. I put that product on Pinterest and it just went so well that I was surprised that it's possible on Pinterest like doing ads, because before that I never done any Pinterest ads. So I started learning, I started reading articles, taking courses on how to run ads on Pinterest, because the niche I went into with that product, it was ideally like shaped for the Pinterest. So that niche was just ideally for that traffic source. So I started advertising on Pinterest and getting all my traffic there. But then I started testing different other products, bunch of different products on Google AdWords, on Facebook ads as well, on Instagram ads, on YouTube ads. And guys, if you know how to find the right product that will sell on the right platform, guys, this is the like golden rule, the golden nugget, that if you know how to do that, you're gonna be all set and you're gonna know how to be profitable with your dropshipping items. So this is, guys, that what I'm gonna teach you on my channel, how to do product positioning, how to find the right audience for your product, and how to make the product winning. Because if you know that that product selling, it's all about to make that product winning. Guys, I was even doing webinars for some of my products and testing webinars to run people not straight to the page, but also running a webinar to sell the product. Guys, I'm so excited. I was testing so many different strategies. So this is the main thing we're gonna cover here. And on top of that, I'm gonna teach you the step system that I'm using pretty much on every my Shopify store, how to drive more traffic and persuade people to buy. This content is amazing. You will never find this type of content on any YouTube channel, as I was mentioning before. So yeah, I'm super excited, guys, to help you out and share all these strategies and content with you. So stay tuned to all of that. That's pretty much for this video, guys. If you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss on any of this content. And I'll see you in the next video.
I don't need reinforcement, giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah. I'm at my prime. Whoa.
You still here? What are you waiting for? Like and subscribe.